Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Fit and Fab by Gurpreet. So today I'm here with a product review. I came across a brand around a month ago. The brand is the Dermaco. They claim to have active ingredients in their products. So active ingredients are biologically active in nature and they help to heal your skin even a bit faster than the other products. So let me tell you, I came across their trial kit. They have actually two trial kits. One is for the acne and the other is concerned for the pigmentation. So I was having a lot of acne issues in my skin, so I thought of going for this brand and testing it on my skin. So let me tell you, I bought this trial kit from the Dermaco and it contains four products. The first is the cleanser, the second is the serum, the third is a moisturizer, and the fourth is the sunscreen, right? So this is actually, the second is the treatment serum, and I guess both the kits, the pigmentation kit also includes four of these, and only the second one it contains is the kojic acid, and over here it is the AHA BHA serum. So let me start with the first product. So the first product they have is, actually they have written numbers on the products, that how you have to use. This is number one, which is known as the step one, which you need to use. And this creamy cleanser is very creamy in nature, actually it looks. And this contains cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol basically helps you to clean the upper layer of your skin. And the second which it contains is the sterile alcohol, and it penetrates into your skin and helps you to get rid of irritation and redness which you might develop. It also helps, it is a very good cleanser for people who have dry skin, because it removes the dry flakes on your skin, and it also cleans your skin really well. So this is kind of a tube they have, and I have cleansed my face right now, and I'm gonna show you the other products applying on my skin, so I'm not showing you this. So the second product which I'll be showing you is their treatment serum, and they have also mentioned it over here as number 2. You can see that. So the serum is AHA BHA serum. AHA BHA means alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids. Alpha hydroxy acids are water soluble, and they penetrate into your skin, and BHA are basically beta hydroxy acids, and these helps you to reduce the pores, and also help to reduce the blemishes. So this HA-BHA contains glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and niacinamide also. So let me tell you what these three things do to your skin. So first is what they have mentioned is the glycolic acid. Glycolic acid will exfoliate your skin, and it will actually remove the dead cells from your skin. The second is the salicylic acid, and it will shed out the upper layer of your skin, the layer which is damaged, and suppose you have scars on your face, so it is gonna shed off the upper layer from your skin, even very slowly. And the third is the niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3, and it will help you to reduce the larger pores. It will also help you to remove the acne scars, and also reduce the appearance of the blemishes, right? So I am showing you how it looks. It is this kind of a tube. It contains 10 grams, and yeah, by the way, this cleanser contained 30 ml of product, and it is quite enough for a trial kit. So this is the serum, and I'm going to show you how it looks. It is a transparent gel. You just need to take a very little of it, and yeah, use it on your skin. So you can see it's absolutely transparent, and it is uh, very mild. It, on the very uh, first 2-3 days, it took a little bit of time. Actually, in anything new you use, it takes a little bit of time to adjust on your skin. So I had breakouts on the very first or second day, and it went away after 2-3 days. Of course, actually my skin was taking some time to adjust. So as I have applied this serum on my face, and it has almost absorbed it, so it doesn't even dry out your skin. The best part is that. So let me show you the third product which they have in the kit. The third is the moisturizer which they have given, and it claimed to have ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So this is actually again a very big size product. It is 25 grams, and this contains ceramides. Ceramides do what? They are helpful in preventing the moisture loss. They basically retain the water in the skin and makes the skin also supple. And the other thing which it has is hyaluronic acid. It is also helpful in retaining the collagen in your skin, and it gives a really nice moisture to your skin. Plus it provides elasticity to your skin as well. So let me show you how the product looks. It has again a tube, and this is like a moisturizer, you can see. So I've taken this much of product and I'm going to use it on my skin. So just put some dots. Yeah, just spread it all over your face evenly. Yeah, you're done. So yeah, it feels really soft, and they claim to be for the dry skin basically. And but let me tell you, I have a combination skin and sensitive combination skin, but this is actually will go for all skin types, because it doesn't even give you that oiliness on your skin. It absolutely absorbs in your skin within 5 minutes. And yeah, this is, I really liked it. And the last product which they have is the ultra matte sunscreen gel, and this has uh four things in that, and they have not mentioned in their cartoon. They have Unival A plus, they have Tinsorb, they have Uvasorb, and Parsol. Okay, so these are the things which are present in this sunscreen. You can visit their website for a detailed view of it. And this is actually SPF 60 and high PL levels. So let me show you how this sunscreen is. This again comes in a tube. This sunscreen is also very, I'm gonna show you on my hand. I'm not gonna use it on my face because I'm not going out right now. So this sunscreen is very easy to spread on your skin. And yeah, it is very, it just spreads in a seconds. Just see that it how it has spread, and on my skin it looks really normal. It doesn't even make your skin greasy or doesn't even provide white patches on your skin, which many of the sunscreens tend to give that white layers and patches on your skin. It is a very good sunscreen. So on an overall view, I'm gonna share you how my skin looked 21 days ago. So this is how my skin looked 21 days ago, and now you can see my skin. I had uh, pores. I had more than pores. Of course, pores takes time to recover, basically. But the acne issue and basically the scars, my scars have lightened up a lot, and my skin feels really better and fresh. My skin feels really soft when I touch it. I had a lot of scars and acne issues, so it is healing, repairing. Everything takes time, but yeah, the 21-day challenge actually worked. I'm really, really happy with the results. And of course, the cost is also so good. They retail it for only 149 rupees, which you'll get as cashback in your Dermaco wallet as well. So I'm gonna share the trial pack link in my description box. You can go there and check out that, and if you really like the video, you can go there and purchase and try on your skin as well. So these products will actually take a little bit of time to work on your skin. You can also visit their website, the Dermaco, and they have a lot of other serums, treatment serums for that as well. I really like that AHA BHA gel, and it has actually helped to heal my skin. I had never thought of a spotless skin, so it's not spotless yet, but I am looking forward to that, because in 21 days I've got a lot of result which I had never also thought of that any product will give me. So I'm definitely gonna buy their full size product. And yeah, so that's all for today. I hope you liked my video, and if you buy this product, do let share your reviews with me and how you liked it. So if you like my video, please like my video, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss a video again. So till then, bye bye, take care.